in a last 18 years, college is reaching to the highest level with the university accredited with the A grade.
Department runs various professional society chapter like IEEE, CSI, SCM, and the main emphasis is to develop the students not only for industry or corporate, but to train the students for getting jobs in research organization, academics, and motivating the students to pursue higher education.
And we are also adopting the teaching learning methodology like self-learning, thinkers lab, student-centric, collaborations learning, collaborative learning, and so on.
These are the resources of network security lab. The difficulty in network security that students are learning too much theory, but how to carry out the practicals as far as security is concerned. Because where students needs to practice on attacking mode and some students has to work on the defending mode. So students are able to create attacking scenario and defending scenario in this laboratory.
Computer engineering department focuses on the research areas like IoT, big data, machine learning, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and management. The department has published more than 30 international journals, more than 50 international conferences, and 3 patents.
Charleston VR Lab is unique facility for the student as well for the faculty. Charleston VR Lab have 14 JetSpace VR enabled machines. These all machines are installed with the Unity, Blender, Maya-like tool that is supportive for the VR development.
This is a central data center of Charleston University, which is known as a Winside department. We are in more than 14 physical buildings across the university, and all are physically connected with digital department. By sitting this department, we can monitor, we can manage, we can maintain each and every building network connectivity. We are having more than 3,500 computers across the university, around 4,000 laptop users.
Labs. These are the places where students spend most of their time in Charusat. We have computer labs, each serving a specific purpose, like the network lab, peripheral lab, OS and FOSS lab, database lab, application lab, and programming lab. We have a specialized lab for research and network security, developed and maintained by Sophos Limited. This lab is equipped with powerful server capable of handling 3 physical networks simultaneously. And not to forget the Macintosh lab, equipped with more than 20 Macintosh computers for application development in iOS. These laboratories are the landmarks in Charusat where our theoretical knowledge meets industrial practices.
The Charusat Library is dedicated towards nourishing each and everyone's knowledge, be it a faculty member or a student with its collection of thousands of books, references, online journals, magazines, CDs, and so on.
Charusat promotes research in every possible form, and in the lieu of the same, we have the best infrastructural facilities. Not only the undergraduate courses, but also the nurturing environment of Charusat provides us with education, liberal arts, and all combined with the practical sessions such as internships, career counseling, and academic sessions.
As Charusat believes in overall development of students, our committee organizes many cultural and sports events during the academic year, where students can get the platform where they can showcase their talent with the competition. We also celebrate the technical fest, that's Cognizance, which is attended and participated by over 7,000 students.
Apart from this, we hold workshops and competitions, coding competitions, and several other goodies, which include a hands-on experience of everything that's going on around the world in the industry in real time, apart from the knowledge that is given in the college in the lectures and the labs.
Here, we have different and evolving exam patterns, which help students in exploring the topics and subjects taught. The graduates not only leave the college with a degree after completion of their course duration, but also with an enlightened mind.